a motherfucking diva. Motherfucking diva.
Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, November 1st. Oh, the year's going by fast. Oh my God, it's almost the end of the year. Anyways, I just dropped my kids off to school. And I am off today. I'm actually off the next couple of days. So I have a few errands to run. And right now I'm about to pick up some breakfast from Dunkin' Donuts. And then yesterday morning, my last 10 minutes at work, I looked down and my whole thumbnail has come off. I was moving some equipment, so I don't know if that's what it was, but I didn't even feel it. I didn't feel it when it broke off or anything like that, but the whole nail came off. Thank God it didn't cut like or crack in the middle or break off in the middle. So I have to run to the nail salon real quick and get that fixed. And then what else? Oh, can you believe my husband last night, my great old husband last night, he gonna have the nerve to look at me and ask me, oh, so when you gonna get a tape? I said, a tape? A tape for what? What do you mean a tape? He's like, when you gonna get a tape? I'm like, what are you talking about? He's like, yo, down there's kind of looking kind of bushy. I said, you got some nerve. You is like, he is lucky about his bushy down there. I mean, granted, I had to think about it and calculate the time or whatever, but the last time I got a wax was around my birthday time. I went to Puerto Rico. So you're talking about, that's in April, so you're talking about 7-8 months ago. That may seem like a long time, TMI, but the hair down there, it doesn't get that bushy to me. Like, it's not thick or anything like that. Whatever. So I booked my little appointment to get it taped up, whatever that means. And what else? I've been kind of feeling kind of down lately, like energy wise. I am anemic and I do take iron supplements daily, but I've been feeling really low lately, like no energy at all, real tired, real drained, especially at work. So my friend and I were talking, and we were pregnant at the same time last year, and she's anemic as well, and we both had to have blood transfusions before and after we gave birth. So she kind of understands how I feel, what I'm going through, whatever. So she told me she goes to this place called Revive down in Miami Beach, and they do what's called an IV treatment. They call it a cocktail, because I did some research. I looked it up online, and they call it a cocktail. So they mix a different bunch of vitamins and stuff like that, and they run it through an IV. So they have like B12, vitamin C, a whole bunch of other stuff. She said she felt different right away. Like as soon as she was walking out the door, she felt it. She felt, that burst of energy. So I called them a little while ago, and they do have an availability today. So I'm gonna go in this afternoon to try that and see if I can, feel a little bit more up, a little bit better. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys in a little while.
Good morning, can I take your order?
Hi, yes, good morning. Can I get a medium pumpkin spice latte, please?
Would you like it hot or ice?
Hot.
No problem. Anything else?
And a grilled cheese with bacon on it.
Alright, grilled cheese. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Alright, please pull forward.
Thank you.
Good morning. What are you waiting for?
A pumpkin spice latte.
You got medium hot pumpkin spice?
Thank you.
Did you get your grilled cheese yet?
No, I didn't get it yet. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day. You guys, tell me why I chose to eat a grilled cheese sandwich and drink a coffee with milk inside of it, knowing darn well these last couple of months, anytime I eat or drink anything with dairy products, I get bubble guts. When I tell y'all, my stomach is rolling. It is rolling. And I'm getting front and back. I don't want to have to pass gas in front of this lady. I do not want to have to pass gas. That is so embarrassing. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do.
B complex, vitamin C, and NAC, and it comes in a 500 milliliter bag. And it's good for help boosting your energy and helping boost your immune system as well. Come right on into here. Hello.
Hi, how are you? I see a needle.
You can have a seat. What's your name?
Atia.
Atia?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, my name is Liam. I'll be your nurse today. You're recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Not your face though. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah. I think that's fine. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do your vital signs. I'm gonna ask you a few questions, and then after we're gonna do a FaceTime call with a medical provider. She's gonna ask you the same questions I'm gonna ask you, and then she's gonna clear you for treatment. Okay?
Okay.
Any allergies?
To all of my friends out there, no, it's cancelled. Cancelled. No good. No proper. I was editing last week's video, and yo, this double chin is so outrageous. Look at it. It's so outrageous, yo. I've always been a big girl. I've always had extra weight. I've always been thick. But this right here is serious. It's getting so serious. After I had the baby 9 months ago, I went through a little postpartum. So getting the weight off has been hard. But like I said, it's never been this bad. So your girl woke up early this morning, dropped the kids to school, and I'm about to go renew this Planet Fitness membership because something got to give. Something has got to give. I can't do it no more. I cannot do it. It's almost darn near a triple chin. It's that bad. It's becoming a triple chin. I'm even contemplating at this point liposuction because I feel like you could work out everywhere else on your body, but how the hell does one work out their chin? Like, how do you lose weight from your chin? I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to go renew this little membership, and we're gonna start on this little weight loss journey. Oh, you waiting on me? Oh, sorry. I look nice?
Yeah. And I don't even plan to be from
Hi, what kind of password? Please?
Hi, yes. Could I get the Meg Thee Stallion meal?
Which one? The tenders? I mean, the sandwich or the nuggets?
Let me get the sandwich, please.
Okay, the combo?
What does the combo come with? It comes with
A side and a drink.
Yeah, let me get the combo.
What's your side?
Fries.
And what's your drink, honey?
Can I get a fruit punch?
Yes, ma'am. Any upper on your black ink today?
No, that'll be all.
Oh, okay. That's 10:15.
I know what y'all thinking. Don't judge me. I know I was just at the gym ranting about me being on a diet, but I'm hungry. And I only signed up for the gym today, or we did my membership. I did not actually start working out, so it doesn't count, right? I'm hungry, and the sandwich is so good, and the sauce, oh my god, the sauce is so good. But I'm gonna start my diet. I'm gonna do a little detox this weekend, and I'm gonna start my diet fresh Monday.
Yeah. They sit there put on your dashboard.
What?
One of them there. How you get them? Me think me should have buy one too.
Bought it off Amazon. You want me to order you one?
Mm-hmm.
But you want some of my food?
Yeah, me hungry.
It's only a sandwich, man.
That's all you buy?
Yeah.
I thought you buy papaya.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
Oh,
that's where Mamsie Lou drink and left in cup.
Oh yeah, this morning when I took her to school.
Mm.
But can we stop at grandma so I can get my
Baba.
hot cocoa? No, she stopped calling it Baba. She called it hot cocoa. You want to
like the
taste?
glasses?
Oh my sunglasses. You want to taste these?
Where you buy that? You see your money. You see your
Okay, you want to taste the sandwich?
No.
Why you always worried about when I spend money? Do you want a piece of the sandwich? Yes. Do you want a piece of the sandwich? You always worried about me and money and spending money.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you need to save your money.
Okay, I save. Oh God.
Mm-hmm. You don't know.
Oh my God.
I'm not feeling me at that one.
All right.
When me did,
Hey.
When me did,
Every time I come around you, I get a complex. You give me anxiety. When you dead, why are we talking about when you dead?
When me did,
Whatever inheritance you leave me.
just so you just go spend it wild and crazy, whatever me leave
Oh
you.
my God! Now oh God.
Where's
You're at school still.
Eh?
Where you came from?
Next door, I was doing work.
Not like you.
Oh,
What happened to you?
Oh,
I
my-
see you save your
I
money.
do save.
No,
money.
you not save.
Oh my God! Why you came from all the way next door? To come,
No, you're
Popeyes.
Me hungry.
We both are hungry.
You could buy something for us.
I will never stop here again.
Then why did you come? Why you should have just eat your damn sandwich and go home? Why did you come?
Eh?
I can stay
You
here.
know, so we're hungry. You couldn't buy.
I cannot. I didn't know y'all was hungry. I'm supposed to know y'all was hungry.
Why did you come?
I came to see my mother.
She hungry. Tell her you hungry.
You the chef.
I'm
Go
hungry.
cook. You the chef. You want a piece more before I go?
No,
Because
bye.
you instantly made me regret come stopping by. Bye, mother.
Bye.
I love you. You want fries? I
Oh,
need my
give me some
fries.
fries. I can't believe it. Yeah, that's all the fries.
I left some in the back for me. Have you take that?
Oh, this?
Yeah, I left some in the back. Later. Yes, I'm drinking wine. Yes, it's the morning. Early morning at that. But I'm pretty sure it's 5 o'clock somewhere. I am drinking Menage a Trois Moscato. It's really good, guys. I'm not used to talking to the camera yet, so I needed something to take the little edge off. And then also I'm really stressed out. We're in the process of remodeling our master bedroom and bathroom, and the place is a hot mess. And the clutter and the boxes and the dust and everything, it's getting to me, but we're almost finished, almost there, just a few things left. I had a few packages that's been sitting up here for the last couple of weeks, so I decided to just come on the camera real quick and open them up with you guys. I believe this one is from MFK. Yeah. I ordered the big bottle off the actual website because I was tired of buying the small bottle of the 540 because it goes by so fast. I'm a heavy sprayer, so I just decided to go ahead and spend the money and get the big bottle. It was pretty fast shipping. It came in about a week, I think. Let's see. Box is nice and pretty. I don't even want to open it. That's how pretty it is. You can smell it already. Woo. Yeah, I got the big boy. Woo. This one I believe is what, 200 ml? Yeah. This should last me a while. They also give you some samples. Some free little candles as gifts. I think I'm gonna light this one in the bathroom. It smells so good. I'm not even gonna tell you guys what the names of these are because I'm gonna butcher them. Oh yeah. Put these around the tub and light these. This one is from, I don't even know. This is from. Oh, okay. This is my Essentials sweatshirt that I ordered, the hoodie. It's kind of big. I ordered a size medium and then it looks really, really big. Yeah, it's big. I'll wear it as an oversized with some leggings. And then I have a few boxes from Skims. My girl, Gina Janine here on YouTube, I've been watching her videos. I love her. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers right now. I wasn't gonna order from Skims because when they first launched, I was like, they're so basic for the price. I wasn't gonna order, but I was watching her videos and she ordered a few pieces and she tried them on. And if she says it's worth it, I kind of believe her because she keep it real. So I went ahead and ordered just a few things. I think this is from them too. Yeah, from Skims as well. Yeah. Okay. What did I get? I got a... Okay. Top. Let's see. I think this is the dress. I'm hoping they fit right. They look like they should. No, these are boxer shorts. Okay. I think the hoodie hoodies in this one. This is kind of open. Ooh, did I open this one? No, I didn't open it. I don't know, it came kind of ripped. So let's see. Leggings. Okay. They still look kind of basic to me, like so plain Jane, but I guess when I try them on. And the hoodie. I don't know why I ordered this bag. What was the purpose of me ordering this? I think it was like $4 or $5 for the bag. Was I giving it to somebody? I don't know. Pieces in here for now. So I can get rid of the boxes. I'm tired of looking at boxes. This is a two-piece outfit I got from this local boutique called Make Me Certified. It's in the Miami Gardens area. Just got a little two-piece set for maybe like a brunch date or something like that. Yeah. Pants look really, really tall, really, really big. I'm short, I'm only 5 feet, but we'll see. And then a little tie up top. So yeah, that's in this bag. I can put this in like this. Oh, this is from Everything Carla. Carla, I think her last name is Toby. She's also a YouTuber. She is a big fashion influencer. She has her own boutique, online boutique, and I ordered I believe it was a shirt from her website. Get 30% off my next order. Yeah, it's just a basic crop white button-up shirt, I believe. This is cute. Okay. This is my first time ordering off her website. I did see a few other pieces that I like. She caters to the bigger girls, the plus size girls, so I think I might order a few more pieces off of them. Let me save this coupon code so I can save 30% on my next order. What else is in here? Oh, thank you card. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a wig that I ordered. I'm gonna save this. Probably do a little unboxing or an install with that. Yeah. That's about it, I think, yeah. Gonna go ahead and clean up this bathroom so we can start moving in. And if you guys have any ideas of what to decorate or how to decorate, you can leave a comment down below. Some pieces, things that I should get. I have this painting. My husband, he doesn't really like it. He says it's not for the bathroom, but I got it, I think, from Ross or Dee Dee's. And also these candles. But yeah, I wanted to decorate that and in the bathroom, maybe hang up something in the bathroom. And this is how the room's looking so far. Still junky, still messy. Gotta take these boxes out, tackle the closet. I think we're supposed to go to IKEA so we can get some shelving units put in the closet spaces. We're waiting on the bed frame and the rest of the furniture to come, hopefully sometime this week. I'm sorry if you can hear my flip-flops, my little furry flip-flops. Oh, and the chandelier, we just got it installed yesterday. It's so pretty, guys. Oh, it turns into a fan. But yeah, can't wait to finish decorating and everything be done with. So I am about to finish cleaning up, maybe dust everything down, and then I have to get ready because it is my daughter's birthday today, and we are taking her out once she gets home from school. So I'll probably catch up back with you guys then.
Should I take it off now?
Oh, let me get over there.
You better put the X. You better put the X large.
I gotta pee on myself. Hold on. Yeah.